Here is a synchronous generator that you will typically see within a power station. This particular model took us a long time to make because it's quite complex. You can have two main types of synchronous generator. One is the salient pole type and the other is the cylindrical type. Salient pole generators are used for large, slow-speed electrical generators. Hydroelectric turbines rotate at slow speeds, 50 RPM, 60 RPM, 100 RPM, 150. Over 90% of the world's electrical power is produced by synchronous generators. There is a very good reason for this, because synchronous generators have one big advantage over their counterparts, asynchronous generators. Synchronous generators are black start capable. Large synchronous generators normally use what's called brushless excitation. It's a type of excitation where you do not use brushes. Why do we need excitation? We need excitation because the rotor itself requires a DC voltage in order for it to become an electromagnet. So we provide DC voltage, and that allows our rotor to become a large electromagnet. The stator windings wrap around our rotor, and the gap between the stator windings and the rotor, which here is quite large, is called the air gap. The stator windings themselves need to be cooled, and this particular model uses water as the cooling medium. Notice that we've got the water manifold and then these water connections that come off here and connect to the stator bars or stator windings. Here is a coal-fired power station. If we take a cross section, we can take a look inside and we can find our generator. It's this item here. You can see the electrical connections that are coming out through these grey tubes.